Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Prav and I am right here sa isa pang food court, guys. I tried my best to find the food. So guys, maglalaro ulit ako muli sa game park because tournament once again, guys. Last week wala ako dito kasi may commitment kami, which is yung buhos ng concrete, guys. But first, before the game, I will have some early dinner, guys. So let's get it once again. Let's get some bowling. Bago muna yan, guys. Okay guys, so we are going up. I'm going back to game park because I can't find a food place to eat because there's a lot of people right now. This pa summer na rin. So let's get it once again. So guys, nandito na ako. Dito na ako muli kakain, which is dito sa Takers, guys. So I'm gonna eat first, like I said, bago mag-bowling. Sports ko. There's billiards, guys, again. Boom. So guys, we are starting the shadow ball. Start na kami, guys, bago yung totoong guys. Hello! So we'll proceed to the other scenes, guys, after yung shadow bowling. So let's get it.
Okay na. Nakatira na kami.
So guys, we're about to start, but there's a bit of an issue sa scoring. Nagma-malfunction yung niya. All of us were shocked, guys, because the score was malfunction. So we're gonna call the layman, but we're gonna start na, guys. So let's get it.
Shadow man.
Layman! Wala na naman yung bola. Layman! Layman! Woohoo! Boss, bola. Bola.
masama dyan? Ba't tayo pumasok ng bola?
Training 10.
Mga pangit ang bola namin.
Basa mo ba po? Sorry.
Ayaw yung dalawang...
Timing.
Binig, sinagang iya.
Chicken wings. Chicken wings.
Muntik na ako, may goodness. Tumakbo naman yung rain yun eh, kaya lalakas na ako. Umiikot. Ay, sorry. Oh, that's good. Great shot. Great shot. Hindi mo lang talaga hindi maganda sa akin. Strike na lang. Bola ko na yun. Ano? Sabi na mag-repalis. Repalis yung panalo mo. Yan. winner of Pat Game for the first game in the ladies division with a score of 185 wins Jordan.
Chris Fernandez. Number 4 with 167, Anton Hagosura. Number 3 with 172, Jaime Pagpian. Number 2 with 179, Steve Detoves. And the leader for first game with 206, Adrian Camacho. Ladies Master Division, number 5 with 190, Ronnie Hainawe. Number 4 with 193, Mandy
Ay,
Paisig.
kala ko magagater.
Number 3 with 198, Edwin Atienza.
Bola? Bola.
Pag giniginag mo, nahangulog.
Nalalaglag. Hindi ko mag-grip eh. Tingnan niya kasi.
Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you once again for watching this video, guys. I almost made it to the top 3 of the game, guys. It was a close shave of the tournament, guys. So make sure you subscribe my channel. Sorry guys. Subscribe my channel, leave a comment, and make sure you like this video, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys, and good night.